Alright guys, I'm sure some of y'all remember this place right here. I am back at Marinagate here in Webster, Texas, and we got an elevator right here. Wonder where it's at. I think it's going down right now. Up, yep, there it is. This thing's real quick. Talk over the music a little bit, but it's about to open here. Kind of see it leveling. And here we go. And let's take it up to 2. Alright, let's look out the window. Alright, let's go back down to 1. Otis. Bosch number going down this time. Here's your cert right here. Gonna take it for one more ride real quick. Close. Here's the creek right here. Let's go back down to 1. Yeah, 2011 this got modernized. It's used to be a Otis Lexans, but this appears to just be a slap-on mod from what it looks like. I guess I'll send it up to 2. Here's the bell. I believe the company who modernized this thing was the machine controls, which I believe what it is, according to Texas elevator records. But here it is. There we go. Now I guess I'll hurry up and try to get a view of the front of the elevator first for a good picture, because you know, why not? And then I'll go from the other elevator. Here we go. And that'll be it. Guys, this is the other elevator now at the Marinagate. As you can see, they repainted the front of this building. And yeah, this has all been repainted, which looks really nice, if I'm not lying. But here we got another elevator. Pretty much the exact same mod. These were installed in 1983. Yep, and it's right here. This is my more favorite one because you can hear the motor a lot better on this one. Otis, you can't see the Otis plate. Alright, let's see how this thing does going down. Doesn't jolt as much as it used to. Here's a quick little view of the cab. I'm pretty sure this cab is original. Take it back up to 2. I gotta say, this thing does have a pretty nice motor. Can't even get a better view of the creek too. That sounded nice. Guess before I give this thing a break, I'll send it up to 2 real quick. And we'll watch it go up once again. There's the Otis Lexans stairwell right there. Staircase. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Seems to be running a lot better than it used to, and that'll be it.